Ano nga bang pagkakaiba ng isang taong successful at fruitful? When you are successful, you always want to be number one. And there's nothing wrong with it. Excellence is a virtue. But when you are fruitful, maraming beses, hindi mo hahangarin na maging number one. Ihuhuli mo yung sarili mo. Uunahin mo ang misyon. Uunahin mo ang paglilingkod. When you are successful, there's always the tendency to compare. Compare and despair. But when you are a fruitful person, you are focused on your growth. Kanya-kanya po tayo ng seasons sa buhay. You cannot compare apples to oranges. When you are successful, kapag namatay ka na, makakalimutan na ng mundo lahat ng mga tagumpay mo. But when you are a fruitful person, kahit namatay ka na, the good seeds that you have sown while you're still here on earth, they continue to bear fruit even though you're not here anymore.